sunny day with this nice little breeze, not as crazy as the other days. And the layout has changed. Got the Z, the Mailwags out of action. Still haven't done the birthday burnout in the VL, but that's happening tonight. And forward to that. But this layout looks absolutely gangster. So we're going reverse around the house. Kind of reminds me of Nishi Short. We'll come down, carry speed down. Nice flickers here. And then around the main corner, looks all nice. Thanks again to owner John for throwing me the keys to one of the rentals. Solid car, we're going to get some laps with him today. I'm not sure if they're changing the layout again. I still got to get you a tour of the house. You're going to check out the pool later. But that'll all come. Enjoy. Ooh! Little interruption to the video you're currently watching. If you didn't know, we're giving away a 1500 horsepower sequential R32 GTR eligible to Australian participants only. So if you do want to go in the draw to win this absolute beast, it's going to be getting drawn very soon. Click the link in the description. Check it out. This thing is a weapon and it could be yours if you want to support while we do it. Keep it Reet, or grab yourself some merch. Anywhere in the world, we'll send it to you. But anyway, back to your video. Weekend go?
It's going fantastic.
Good? Stoked?
I'm stoked.
Ready to go?
Yep, ready to do the second layout.
The last layout?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll run this. We got 4 sessions like this.
Nice.
And,
I reckon this is going to be the one.
Yeah, this is the one. Man, after lunch too, I feel like I'm ready to take a nap.
Oh, 100%. I'm
Right?
so ready. That pool is calling my name.
Right?
Later.
I think this evening, that's going to be the jam.
I'm going to do a big burnout, sell some merch,
Yeah.
and pool time.
So we got 4 sessions. At 6:45, we'll go cold, and then get you to do the burnout, and then we're gonna let everybody like stage their cars in front of the house and take pictures. I'm not gonna like park them. Just gonna let people like free for all.
Sounds good. I'm thinking of bringing like the truck and maybe like push the wagon out somewhere out of the way here, and then.
How are you enjoying it? I mean, obviously, I know you wish your car was going, but
no, the Z's good. The Z suits.
Yeah,
it's like kind of similar to everyone else's car.
Yeah,
the wagon would have just been smoking everyone out. So.
Oh yeah, of course. But we did want to see that.
Yeah, I know.
So
next time.
Yeah, exactly. Right. You're more heartbroken than we are, I think.
No doubt. Alright, that's it for drifting today. I'm in the pool getup. It's time to get some swamming on. The Z's done me well. The tyres lasted pretty much the whole time. Done bulk laps, really good fun. It's honestly still got probably more left in it. But I don't want to go pushing it in the rental. Thanks heaps to John from Drift Mansion. Amazing venue. It's been sick. He does want to do some stuff tomorrow, so the event ends tonight. We're doing the fat burnout in the VL after my pool session, and we're going to sell some merch and come back tomorrow for a tour of the mansion. He reckons he wants to show me some other stuff. We'll see how we go. Buggy ride. Save you. Bloody gangsters, this. The slide, volleyball, spa, the beach.
Oh my god.
It's burnout time, baby. It's time to warm her up. Sun's about to go down, so it's getting a bit cooler. Ready for a fat RB30 burnout. Burnout time, baby. Aussie style.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Just hanging around. Oh, that's it. The car did some weird cutting stuff, so it didn't do the greatest burnout, but it did one, and people enjoyed it, so.
Ask James
Cool to put
about
on
it.
show. Did you like it, James? Did you like the burnout?
Yeah.
It was a good one?
Tell me the truth. You told me something different before.
What do you say?
You said it wasn't very good.
Oh. Oh, it's so annoying. It should do such a better burnout. I'm letting Australia down every time. I hope it's not lifting the head, because apparently it was like gushing some water out, which is solid signs it's lifting the head again. So we're not having the greatest weekend when it comes to cars, but it's still there. It's still together. I might have to have a look at some things and diagnose and maybe just chill it for a little bit, but still running, still driving. And that's it. Bag her up. We'll be back tomorrow.